So hello, security people. This is Cole again. Let's start talking about security. In fact, let's take a minute, maybe two, and talk about mastering security management. Simply, an asset is an asset, and types of losses can range from petty shoplifting to major terrorist attacks to high-dollar embezzlement schemes. I need to remind you that as a security specialist, you are also primarily a business professional. Take every opportunity to speak in business terms. After all, you're going to have a budget to manage, a budget to justify, and as I've said in other venues, you will often find resentment from other managers who don't understand security and believe you are a drag on profitability. So the cost of loss. Let's talk first about permanent replacement loss. This is the most obvious. However, being obvious doesn't make it simple. So, permanent replacement costs seems pretty straightforward. You've got, let's say, a Chevy pickup truck. It's gone missing, it's been damaged or destroyed in an accident, it's been stolen, whatever the case may be. Let's say it costs, I'm just pulling this out of the thin air, but like $36,000. That is your loss, right? 36 grand. No. How about shipping costs, freighting costs, preparing to make serviceable? For example, do you have to put special equipment on the truck? Logos, these types of things. Lighting apparatus, towing gear. These types of things have to be added into the cost of replacing the vehicle. So permanent replacement costs can be significantly more than just the invoice sticker price of what the vehicle originally cost. And let's not forget inflation. The fact that the truck cost X number of dollars back 5 years ago, pretty much guarantee a replacement's going to cost more than that. So as you can see, things start adding up. Just a thought.